All right, and welcome back to another episode of The Hub. And one thing about living in a small valley here in a small town like this is community comes together when things need help and people need help. And that's no different than what today's program is about. Today we're going to be talking about Rolling for Jacob, a fundraiser coming out. And we've got Jacob himself here with us today. We've got his mom, Tabitha. And of course, we got Tom with us too. So welcome to the show, guys.
Thank you for having us.
Ladies. So why don't we start getting a little bit of history on Jacob and tell us a little bit about Jacob.
Well, Jacob was a 19-year-old young man. He loved the gym. His passion was the gym. He would work out every single day for about 3 hours. His goal was to be a personal trainer and to open up a gym in Renfrew and really focus on like rehabilitation and that stuff. And then on January 30th of 2020, there was a poor decision made from another driver who came into Jacob's lane and struck him at a high rate of speed head on, which put Jacob in a coma for 13 months. And being told that, you know, he was never going to walk again, never talk again. He was going to be a vegetable the rest of his life. And with the pandemic, we definitely had our challenges. But over the months and that, we continued to work with Jacob, stimulate him day after day. I spent every day with him, morning till night. We went down to Hamilton for 9 months to the brain injury program, where he started waking up from his coma, and then it was starting to look a little brighter. And then from there, we just went, he sailed. Yeah. He started whispering, and then he started chewing on different foods, and then he started talking, and then he started standing, and it's been uphill since. He is now walking with a Rift and Tram is what we're fundraising for. Mm-hmm. It's a piece of equipment that I can take at home where I can walk with Jacob, just him and I. So our goal is to raise money to help Jacob with his efforts to walk again. Definitely. To get independence again. And yeah.
No, definitely. And I've seen videos that's been posted on Facebook. Maybe we'll try and get some here that we can play over top of this for people to see, and that of him walking again and that. And what was it you were telling me beforehand about yourself before the accident?
Oh, I was friggin' ripped.
You were jacked and ripped, weren't you?
Oh, yeah.
Exactly. Are you excited about this fundraiser coming up?
Oh, hell to the yeah.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. So, Tom, why don't you tell us a little bit about the fundraiser itself and who's involved with it?
Right. So, I'm representing the Knights of the Inferno Firefighter Motorcycle Club Whitewater chapter. We're a chapter motorcycle club that is based primarily out of firefighters, EMTs, and military members. And we do fundraising in the community for people and businesses that could use a little bit of help. And my lovely wife is a care provider for Jacob here, and that's how we met. And we got to know him a little bit, and as a chapter, we unanimously decided that we wanted to get behind him and help support this incredible young man who's already done unimaginable things on the road to recovery. Right?
Oh,
yeah.
Tom.
You're embarrassing the guy.
Yeah, well, I mean...
No, it's good because I've seen, like I said, I've seen the videos. I met him months ago at the Firefighters Pancake Breakfast, and just the strides after you telling me that they didn't think he was going to walk, talk, any of this, and now you look at him, he's talking up a storm, he's out there walking, he's not giving up, that's for sure.
And that's the thing, that night of the accident, the doctors all prepped us to say goodbye to Jacob, and they said, you know, he's in rough shape. He had the whole right side broke, the whole left side broke, brain injury, both sides of the skull removed, so it was looking pretty scarce. Yeah. But I knew Jacob and his determination and his willpower because I've seen him work out in the gym. So I'm like, no, Jacob's going to fight this. He just needs to push.
I know what it's like because we trust the professionals, of course, the medical professionals. They're all amazing people. I mean, I'm not going to put them down or anything, but even like my wife had a stroke 18 years ago, and it got to the point she was in the hospital 4 months. And they basically sent her home thinking she was not going to live again. They just wanted her to be comfortable at home. Yeah. Here she is 18 years later. She's just helping me with my business and doing amazing. So it's amazing what the human can do when they really put it forward.
Well, and I was very fortunate because I have a nursing background. So I work with Alzheimer's and dementia. So I knew a lot about the brain and how you have to stimulate it. So my saying was always, if I give you a plant and you don't water it, what's going to happen? It's going to die. Exactly. So my biggest thing is stimulate him, keep on him every day, and the brain will regrow. So it's amazing how far he's come. But his determination, though, and his personality. Yeah. This kid is, everything he's been through, he still has that smile every day. So yeah, we want to be...
kid
And we just want to tell people out there, you know what, miracles do happen.
It does.
And just don't give up.
No,
Just
exactly.
push.
Oh, and by the way, Mom, I ain't no kid.
You'll always be a kid to Mom.
I'm a man.
That's
But
right.
yeah, just keep pushing through, and where he came from to
I
where
love
he is
it.
today, it's been a miracle.
Exactly.
Like he's a walking miracle.
And Tom, tell us more about the actual fundraiser, how it's being done, and the sponsors. You have some sponsors in
Yeah,
that?
we do. It's being sponsored by No Frills Renfrew, as well as Domino's Renfrew, and it's happening in Renfrew on August 15th. We're having a whole bunch of motorcycle riders coming out to do a big motorcycle ride around the community to help raise money. We're having classic cars are coming, and a few other things that are coming. We're gonna have a barbecue, we're gonna have some food provided, and hopefully have a really good day. And in the process, get this guy walking again, or at least on the road to it. You know, miracles happen, doesn't mean a little assistance can't go a long
No.
way. All right, through the process of going through all this, that he deserves it, because look at him, look at this guy.
Exactly, and I'm going to try my best to make it to that too. And when I'm there, him and I will sit at a table, we'll sign autographs to everybody. How's that?
We wanted to say as well, AJ, we can't thank the biker club enough for what they have done. Like, this is going to be a life-changing device for Jacob, so we want to
Yeah.
thank all the biker members, and No Frills again, but you wanted to especially thank Maple Care and your physiotherapist.
Yeah, my physiotherapist, Palmer, is a friggin' tank.
So he has worked with Jacob from day one,
Yeah.
the day we came home from Hamilton 5 years later, and Palmer's a big part. So yeah, from the bottom of our hearts, we want to thank everybody for all their continued support,
Exactly.
Yeah,
because it's been amazing. We do really have a great community.
Exactly. And if people want to support either by coming out to the event or donating, how can they do so?
Well, they can donate either at the event itself, or they can get in touch with Tabitha or with the Knights of the Inferno Whitewater chapter itself. And you can find us on Facebook at Knights of the Inferno Whitewater chapter, and reach out to us that way, and then we can start the dialogue and get things rolling.
Definitely. And I know you have merchandise available. I'm wearing some today. I've got the Team Jacob shirt and hat on, and you've got shirts, you got hats, you've got...
Yep, you just come in contact with me through our Facebook group, and I can set you up with it. And they'll also be on site of the fundraiser as
Okay,
well
good.
for purchase.
I saw the cowboy hats too, but I thought, I don't know if I fit a cowboy hat.
They're the
but-
biggest seller right now.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
I was determined.
Yeah, the overwhelming of
Oh.
cowboy hats.
I might have to get one
We
still.
have a pink one.
A pink,
Yeah.
eh?
And there you
I think
go.
I could wear
I
pink.
think you could sport pink.
yeah.
No, and,
You-
sorry?
You wear a cowboy hat and you rock it.
There you go. I agree. So, any last words before we tie it up here?
No, we just again want to say thank you to everybody and all the community, and everyone has gone over and beyond for Jacob and I, and we just can't thank you guys enough.
No, I'm glad that we are able to help. Hopefully this helps a little bit. And for anybody out there, come on out September, is it?
August 15th.
August 15th. And where is it again?
It's in Renfrew,
Yeah.
in No Frills.
The No Frills Renfrew. Come on out, support the cause. Let's get Jacob up walking again. He was telling me he would love to get back personal training again. So let's get him up, get him back so he can personal train and get everybody else ripped and buffed too. So until next time, this is John coming to you from the hub. And until next time, have a great one.